All right, in this session, we are going to cover the most important part of Python is your tuples, sets, and your loops part. Let's start with this one. Let's start with tuples. So tuples are generally used to store multiple items into a single variable. Tuples is let can say is one of the four built-in data types in Python used to store collect of data, and the others three are lists, sets, and dictionaries. Okay, let's start with a real world example. This tuple equals to apple double p apple comma banana comma cherry print this tuple. Let's see what is I can get. Okay. Accepted apple banana and tuple. Okay, this is I can get it. But when the tuples that are order unchangeable and allow duplicates value. Tuple item are index of first item is index is 0 and the second item will be a 1. Okay, it start with 0, 1 and 2. 0 is apple, 1 is your you can say banana and 2 is your cherry. Okay, this is how it works. So if I been working on this way, let's say taking an example. Okay, in this way, let's say my tuple 1 will be my distance. Okay, apple banana take tuple tuples 2 equals to my 1 2 3 4 5 3 5 6. Okay, tuple 3 would be my 2 true false false. Okay, false. Okay, print this tuple print tuple 2 print tuple 3. Let's see what is like I can draw. Okay, something has been talks about the trackback file script, and this is talking about line 3 tuples true false. Okay, maybe because of this one. Let's see. The script by true for triple T name false is not defined. Okay, let's see this one. Yeah, it's work. Apple, banana, cherry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double this. Been working on this one, correct. So this is how this one is been working. Okay, next topic will be my okay. Now this has been done from the tuples point of view. We can work on updates part, and we have one more important part is the joint tuples. So let's see the joint tuples part. Okay, again taking of these two examples only. Okay, removing this one, I am going to say here is tuple 3 would be your this tuple plus tuple 2. Okay, print tuple 3. Let's see what is it I can got here. Yeah, it's accepted. I can get it apple, banana, and so thing. So yeah, it's in joining the tuple. Eventually, when we work on a real-time scenario, we can work on the same way on a SQL side, on Excel side. We can merge. So joining this part is also being a good options. So next one, we'll talk about the loops. Loops. Okay. So generally loops are two types, for loops and while loops. While loops generally is work only with the while loops. We can execute a set of statement as long as condition is true. Let's see the example. I equals to 1 while I is the 6, print I equals plus equals to 1, and let's see. Okay, one is problem while I is in line 7. This is because of this one. Let's see. Now it's been affecting on print, print, print I on line 8, print. It looks perfect only. He's saying that line 8 has an issue. Okay, let's identify what is the issue. Print equals to I. File script.py blocked. What is blocked here? Maybe the upper one is blocking. Nope. What is the issue? Plus. Okay. Now it's been affecting print line 5 only. Spacing issue maybe. Okay. Let's take an help of any AI tools. They will help us. Okay. Indent error. Okay. But yeah, what is the issue? We are doing the correct. Okay. Let's copy and compare. Oh, entering point is the error. This is the error. So I'll say in Python, a loop is used to replace a block of code multiple of times. The two most common loops are for a while. For loop is used to iterate your numbers from 1 to 5, which you are doing, and while loop till the time it's been taking 1 to 5. The common message generally do use a variable in the conditions. If we want active, we can break these conditions. We are working on this subquery conditions. So that's why this has been taking some time to work on this part. So this is the error which we've been focusing on. This is the Python for this today. Thank you for the class.